Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard language using your Android phone or tablet. So if you want to know how to change your keyboard language, keep watching this video and let's get started. First, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Additional Settings. Tap Languages and Input, and tap Manage Keyboards. As you can see, I'm using Gboard. If you have any keyboard, you can use it. Then tap Settings and select Languages. Tap Add Keyboard, and you can add what do you want language for your keyboard. Example, Filipino. Tap Done, and now let's try it. Just long press and select Filipino. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!